Hello guys, so I'm here for another Go Jersey review, and this time I have a Sporting CR7 jersey, the third equipment from Sporting. I think it's really beautiful. It's golden and black, and it has really good quality, as you can see on the sleeve. Yeah, it's really well made. It does look like the original, if it's not an original, and it's way cheap at Gold Jerseys, so I recommend you to buy there. You can see the quality. This is the stump. It shines. And even on the inside, it's really well made, as you can see right here. The label from Nike and Sporting, right here, exclusive product. And even on the inside, it's really well made. It came on this bag from Nike. Move to 0. Yeah, it's really good. I ordered in S. Let me turn it around. Okay, as you can see, this symbol, it has on the original too, and the letters. I didn't put a name this time. I like this one clean, without any names, and if I want I can put on the original store after, so there's no worries. Just the quality of the shirt, it's amazing. As you can see, this is the inside. I know it doesn't look, but it's really good. It's like perfectly made. And the sleeve again, it's really good, and it shines a lot, so I recommend you to buy. CR7. You can hear there are different materials. It's really good, and even the transition, it's really well made.